Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into some fun 4th of July crafts that will make your celebration special. I'll show you how to create a menu board for your buffet table, a cute candy corner, a versatile tray for your veggies, fruits, and desserts, and a beautiful craft for your 4th of July table setting. But that's not all. I just want you to know that I'll also be uploading short form videos, and every Wednesday you'll get a longer video packed with budget-friendly party ideas, seasonal crafts, home decor tips, and easy gift ideas and favors. I love cooking for my celebrations and friends, so I'll share easy, cost-effective recipes that can also double as gifts. Plus, as a bonus, you'll get to see my travels with my husband, activities, parties with friends, and behind-the-scenes party prep. So don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel so you never miss an update. All right, enough of that. Let's get crafting. I'm so happy you're here. For this project, you'll need 4 popsicle sticks. You don't have to paint them, but I did to match the trays. Grab a paintbrush and white paint. Next, pick up some condiment cups in red and white from the Dollar Tree. And don't forget 4 of the popsicle trays, also available at the Dollar Tree. You'll also need a glue gun. Let's get started. Now I'm pouring the paint onto my paint mat, which I got from Amazon, and I'll paint all 4 of the popsicle sticks white and let them dry. Again, you don't have to paint these, but I liked the way this looked once they were painted. You're going to take the 4 trays and connect them at the top, the first 2 across from each other, and the other 2 connected at each corner. You'll hot glue the edges only. I prefer Gorilla Glue for my glue gun since it sticks better. And then gently turn the tray over and add the 4 popsicle sticks to the corners. This keeps the tray together when you lift it up. Now I'm adding the condiment cups to the popsicle trays. I turned them over and added hot glue to the bottoms of the cups. It worked best for sticking. The cups are for adding your dips, for veggies or chips or fruit. And there you have it. This is so fun for either the 4th or a summer pool party. The trays are big enough for veggies, fruit, desserts, and chips, as well as your dips. And I added cupcake liners to the condiment cups for easy cleanup later. I love how decorative this is, and I love how much it holds. For our next project, we're making a fun candy corner for the 4th of July. You'll need a 4x6 frame, plastic gems in red, white, and blue. You'll need 2 large mason jars, and you'll need 2 packs of glass stickers and some Patriotic window clings. Now, let's get started with this project. Let's put together a cute sign for our candy corner. Open up the frame and take out the paper photo. We'll still use it in a minute. Add your favorite window cling to the center of the glass or plastic. I chose a cowboy boot and a patriotic quote. Next, put the white faux photo back in the frame and reverse it so you see only the white when you flip the frame over. Close up the frame, and there you have it, a cute 4th of July sign for your candy corner. Now let's create a cute knob for the top of the mason jars so we can easily open them and grab the candy. I used the plastic gems in red, white, and blue stacked on top of each other and carefully hot glued them together. Hold each gem for a few minutes as you glue to let it dry and adhere properly. Once the knob is glued in the center, I added a few more gems to the lid for extra bling. This adds a patriotic feel to the jars and is super easy to do. You can just add the knob and skip the extra gems if you prefer. Next, let's add some flair with the glass stickers I found in the Dollar Tree craft section. I wanted the jars to look patriotic and decorative, so I added these stickers to the front of each mason jar. Once the stickers were on, I put the lids back and voila. Both jars will sit on either side of my sign filled with candy. It's a simple and cute way to dress up our candy corner. Now let's talk about the delicious candy I bought to make my candy salads in a jar. It's all the rage right now, and I wanted to have it at my 4th of July party. I went to the Dollar Tree and picked up my favorites: Twix, Kit Kats, Hershey Kisses, Twizzlers, Reese's Pieces, Crunch Bars, and some Milk Duds. I poured all the candy into a large bowl to mix it up easily, and once it was well mixed, I used a spoon to fill each jar. Doesn't this look fun? I set up this candy corner in my kitchen near the coffee and tea area, adding cupcake liners and red spoons so everyone can take a few pieces. You could also use cupcake cups, which I've seen at HomeGoods and Dollar Tree, or just grab some cute paper cups for your guests to fill up. It's a sweet and festive touch for any party. Cute napkin rings for your 4th of July table setting. You'll need ponytail holders in your choice of colors, some cute Patriotic scatter from the seasonal aisle, and a hot glue gun. This project is quick, easy, and budget-friendly with everything from the Dollar Tree. And here's how they'll look when they're finished. First, you're going to take a piece of the Patriotic scatter and a ponytail holder and hot glue the ponytail holder to the back of the scatter. You're going to repeat this for all the scatter pieces until you have enough napkin rings for your party table settings. I found some adorable napkins at Walmart and fanned them before inserting them into the ponytail holder on the back. And now I have a cute and festive addition to my table settings. This is a great budget-friendly project for a large crowd. And you can use other scatter pieces you find throughout the year at the Dollar Tree. I saved a ton with these, and I'll show you my table setup in another video soon. For our final craft, let's make a fun and festive 4th of July menu holder for your buffet. You'll need a paintbrush, chalkboard paint, a mini clothespin. You'll also need some festive ribbon, a silver tray or cutting board from the Dollar Tree, and a glue gun. First, paint the tray with chalkboard paint until the center is fully covered. To make a bow, take about a 12-inch piece or less, your choice, and fold it in half. Glue the ends together, then fold over and press down. Cinch the center of the ribbon with a rubber band, and then we're going to take another piece of ribbon about 5 inches and fold it the long way. You're going to wrap this piece around the center of the bow to hide the rubber band. Now we have a really cute bow. For the tail of the bow, just fold another piece of ribbon and attach it to the bow with glue. Next, hot glue the bow to the top of the menu board, cascading and bunching the ribbons onto the sides of the frame with glue. Add a mini clothespin underneath the bow to hang your menu. And there you have it, a chalkboard menu holder to write on or hang a paper menu you create yourself or in Canva. I found this template in Canva and added my party menu using patriotic and 4th of July words for each item. I'll be placing this on a frame stand from the Dollar Tree and setting it at the end of my island so everyone can see what's on the menu for the 4th. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed these 4th of July crafts and found some inspiration for your celebration. Let me know in the comments below which craft you liked the most and if there's anything specific you'd like to see in upcoming vlogs. Happy crafting and see you next time. Thank you for watching today's Mimi Homestyle video. We hope you had a great time and found some inspiration for your next celebration. If you want to stay updated, follow us on TikTok and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified of our videos on YouTube. Check out our website at mimihomestyle.com and our printables at Grin and Print on Etsy. I can't wait to see you next time for more fun ideas.